Sir,
Thank you.
sir,
Thank
in
you,
every
Akash.
question we have to divide by 2 by 2.
Sorry?
Sir, in every question, like you have given 94 into 5 into 2 by 2. Sir, in every question we have to do.
No, no, no. To avoid all that procedure, I'm telling this last point. See, listen to me carefully. Any number, some x number, instead of multiplying by 5, just divide by that, divide that number by 2, and based on the remainder, put the last digit. Okay.
Sir, if there is no remainder and just we got the direct answer, so
Yeah, I am
directly
telling
we have
that
to
point. See,
multiply.
Sir,
if the
who's
remainder is 0, put the last digit 0. Last digit 0. Last digit is 0. If the remainder is 1, put the last digit 5.
sir? Which numbers division should we do, sir? I didn't
Given
understand.
number. Given number.
Means
See, I'm
6.
doing. I'm applying the same what I have mentioned here. I'm applying that concept here. See, I'm taking any number. 89. 89 is one example, and I will take one more example. Some 74. Okay. So here we are going to do 89 into 5. Here we are going to do 74 into 5. Okay. First we'll do this. Instead of multiplying by 5, I'm telling divide by 2, right?
40. Yes, yes, sir. 44.
2 fours are
44.5.
8, 4 times. 2 fours are again 8. What is the remainder here now?
1, sir.
1 is the remainder. If 1 is the remainder, last digit will be
10 divided
1,
by 2
sir.
into
5.
5.
No need to do all that procedure. If the remainder is 0, simply put the last digit 0. Sorry, 5.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Remainder is 1, put the last digit 5. That's all.
Sir, I did not know. I thought we should do the division of that half again, sir. That's why I got.
No need to do. Simply, if the remainder is 1, put the last digit 5. See here, 74 into 5. Instead of multiplying by 5, I am dividing by 2. So 3 times it is 6. So 7 means one remainder 14. 14 means 7 times it is 14. No remainder, 0 remainder. If 0 is the remainder, simply write the last digit as
370.
370. That's all. That is the answer. Easy?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
how we will find with for a decimal number?
So for a decimal number, suppose if he has given any number like this, 37.8 into 5, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. See, we'll do all the procedure without ignoring this decimal, and lastly, we'll put one decimal point. At the end, we'll put again one decimal point. Okay. So I'm considering this number as 378 only. 378 into 5 we are going to do. So instead of multiplying by 5, we'll do
Multiplication with 10.
divided by 2. Divided by 2. So 2, one time it is 2. One remainder
8.
17. 17
8.
means 8. 16 means one remainder
9.
18. 9
198.
times. No remainder, that's why last digit will be 0. Now put one decimal point after one digit from right side. So means it is 189.0. Okay?
Okay,
Shahu?
sir.
Sorry, Ritvik, I think.
Yes, sir, it is Ritvik.
We'll do this exercise with this concept only. You can give your names. If anybody have a doubt, you can ask. So you can mute, all of you can mute, whoever want to speak, they can unmute. Okay, G Ritvik. H Satvik. C Harshita. C Navya. C already over Navya. Okay, D. Okay. E Navya. B Joya. And then
E. Jasmita.
okay, E Jashmita. H
F.
Shahu.
Asmita.
H already over Shahu. F.
F
Ashita.
Ashita, sir.
Yeah. All of you remaining with one question. Shahu, you can take that first question.
Sir, but can you explain once?
Me?
Yes,
You want
sir.
me to explain?
Sir, I did not understand decimal one.
Which one? This one? Okay,
Sir,
No,
okay.
the
sir,
decimal
decimal.
one.
Okay, okay. This question. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll tell that again here. Anyone take A? Question number 1. First question.
Sir, can we take 2 times?
Sir, can
No,
I
no,
take?
no. New persons. What happened to other persons? There are only 8 questions, but there are 16 members, 16 participants,
Double, sir.
including me. 16.
Sir, today Akash didn't took any question.
Why, Akash?
So I think net problem. I don't know. I think, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyone take one question number 1. Otherwise, I will
Can
allot.
I take?
Who?
Harshita, sir.
Hashita already over, right? Your
Yes,
question is
sir.
C.
Yes, sir.
What happened to remaining persons? Aish?
Sir, I didn't understand it properly.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can I
I
take?
asked you already after explaining. I asked you. Anyone having doubt can ask me. Pallav, what
Sir,
happened?
can I take? Sir, can I
Who?
take a first question?
Okay, okay, Pallav.
Pallav, sir.
Okay. Okay, see, if it is a decimal number, then how to do that? See, I'm taking any number.
Sir, can you once scroll up?
Just wait, just wait. After explaining this, I'll scroll up. See, 87.8 into 5. Shahu, I think you have doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Siddharth, lately joined.
Sir.
Okay, try to understand this. This is your this one you have mentioned in the first class only. So multiplication by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any number instead of multiplying by 5, we can divide by 2. Okay, here I am dividing by 2. See.
Sir, like if we'll get any reminder, we can do it
Yeah.
into 5, sir.
Yes, correct. If there is no remainder, we have to write a 0. If there is one remainder, we have to write 5. Yeah, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6 and 1 remainder, right? Shahu,
Yes, sir.
1 remainder means it is 18. Don't ignore this decimal point as of now. Ignore this decimal point. So 1 remainder, it will be 18, right? Okay. I'm treating this number as 878. I'm doing divided by 2. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Then 18 means 2 9 times it is 18. Is there any remainder?
No, sir.
No remainder means 0 is the remainder. Simply multiply this 0 by 5. So 0 5 times it is 0, right? So this is the result of 878 into 5. But the problem is 87.8, right? So that's why we have to put 1 decimal point after 1 digit from right side, because there is after 1 digit. Shahu, is it clear now?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
me.
sir.
Sir,
if there is
a reminder, what will we do?
If 1 is the remainder,
The remainder
Yes,
will
sir.
compulsory be 0 or 1.
yeah, remainder may be either 0 or 1. If 1 is the remainder, see that question also.
We should write 5, sir.
Yeah, that's all. 56.3. 56.3 into 5. Who asked this question? Ashrita.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Who asked this?
Sir, I asked the doubt.
Who? Name?
Ashita.
Ashrita only. Okay. Instead of multiplying this number by 5, we are dividing it by 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder 16, 2 8s are 16. So after
Yes.
that 3, 2 1s are 2.
Sir, it
So
is
1 is the remainder.
281.5.
Finally, 1 is the remainder, right? If 1 is the remainder, simply we have to write the last digit as a 1 into 5. So 1 5, sir, it is 5. That's all. So this is the result of 563 into 5. Okay, but there is a decimal point after one digit. We have to put one decimal point after one digit from right side. So our answer here is 281.5. Okay. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Nobody should have doubt. That's why I'm asking
doubt, sir.
repeatedly. Akash, any doubt? Akash, any doubt?
Sir,
He raised a hand. Yeah,
sir,
Ritvik,
if
tell me.
suppose the number is 364 into 5, then
Okay, if the question is 364 into 5. Yes, Ritvik?
sir,
Sir, I
it's
don't
Sir,
have any doubt. I completed all the questions.
Sorry, Ritvik is completed.
Shahu, sir.
Shahu, okay. Shahu, is it your question?
yes, sir.
Yeah, see. So here I don't do multiplication by 5 directly. I'll divide this number by 2. I'll divide it half. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 and 16. It will be 16. 2 8 times it is 16. 2 2s are 4.
1820.
Any remainder? What is the remainder?
1820, sir.
0.
0 is the remainder, means we have to write the last digit as 0. 1820. That's all.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay. Yeah. Now we'll start with the Pallav. Pallav, are you clear with the method?
Yes, sir, I am clear. Sir,
Yeah.
we can take half of 38 as 68 as 34, sir.
Okay.
3. So we have to add 0 to it. So it
Because
is 3.
there is no remainder. Remainder is
No
0. That's why we are writing 0. That's all.
0. Yes, sir.
That's all. That is the answer. And see, one more thing here. We already mentioned this point in the last class only. If all the digits are even digits, we are dividing it by 2 means we can do digit by digit also. Like 4, 6, 8,
1 by 1, sir.
4. Yeah,
Yes,
if it is
sir.
the case,
2 to the
how
4,
to
2
divide
to
this
the
number
6,
means
2 to 8, 2
digit
to
by
the
digit.
4.
Half of 4 is 2. Half of 6 is 3.
2,
Half
3,
of 8
4.
is 4. Half of 2 is 2 again. That's all. This is the half of that number. So here, like Pallav said, half of 6 is 3 and half of 8 is 4. That's all. 3, 4. There is a 0. Because there is no remainder, that's why 0.
Sir, can you give me an extra question?
We have another exercise. We'll take one more exercise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Joya, explain your question.
Half of 42 is 21, and
Yeah.
as the remainder is 0, we'll add a 0.
That's all.
210.
210 is the answer. Very
Yes,
simple,
sir.
right? Then Harshita.
So half of 36 is 18 and the remainder is 0, so 180.
That's all. 180. Then Navya.
Half of 426 is 213, 213.
Okay, 213, correct.
And then since the remainder is 0, we'll just add 0 to it,
That's all.
which is
That is
210. 2130.
very good. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 8 divided by 2 is 4.
Okay.
0.6 divided by 3 is 0.6 divided by 2 is 3.
Don't consider point. 8 half is 4 and 6 half is 3. That's all. 43. Because
Okay,
there is
so-
no remainder. So add 1 0.
Add 0.
Now put a decimal point.
1 decimal from the left.
From right. From right.
From right.
Yeah. After one digit decimal point means 43.0 it is. Ashrita.
Shut up. 54, let's take 5.4 to 54.
Yes, very good.
If we divide 54, it will be 27. There's no
Okay.
remainder, so it is 0.
Okay.
The point is there, so there will be a point from left,
From right.
which is
From
20.
right.
Right.
So from right after 1 digit decimal point. 27.0. Now the answer is 27. So Ritvik, your question now.
Sir, now, sir, we can first we need to remove the decimal point.
Ignore.
Then we need to
not
do
remove, ignore.
468 divided by 2, which would be 234. As the reminder is 0, we need to keep as 0.
Okay.
And then we need to place the decimal point before the 2.340, sir.
Yeah. From right side after 2 digits a decimal point. So from right side, not 2 point. From right side after 2 digits a decimal point means
23.40.
yeah, 23.40. Just think, it's already 4 5s are 20. It should be more than 20 or less than 20.
More than 20.
More than 20 means after 23 there is a decimal point, not after 2. Satvik, your question now.
Yes, sir. We can ignore the decimal point, and 66 divided by 2 is 33. So it's no reminder. So 330. There are two. The decimal point is after 2 digits. So from the right, after 2 digits, you should put a decimal point.
So where is the point here now?
So 3.30.
So 3.30 is the answer, final answer. Correct. So let's see one more exercise. Okay. Here, these are my questions. Okay. I'll give the number. How many questions are there? I'll give those many numbers. So 1. Just wait. How many questions are there? 2. 3. 4, 5. Okay, only 5 questions are there. 5 members can give names.
Sir, I gave E. Sorry, D, sir. D means 4.
Okay.
So I gave 2, sir. 2.
Okay.
Sir, I gave C, third one.
Harshita 2.
Sir, I gave 5.
Sir, I gave 5 first.
Okay. From where I have to
No,
start?
E means 5. Sahu gave first. E means 5 only.
Yeah, Shahu given already 5. We'll start from D, Satvik, right?
Me, sir. Yes, sir. D.
D means 4th question. This is for Satvik.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I've given 4.
Sorry?
Sir, I've given 4 in the chat box.
Okay, but Satvik is already given by considering D as 4. Okay, I'll give separate question. No issue. Whoever want questions, I can give. This is for Shahu. E Shahu.
Sir, 1 I took.
Harshita 2. This is Harshita. And next is C, Ritvik means third question is Ritvik. This is Ritvik.
Sir, and first one, just me took.
Okay. Now tell me who want new questions.
Sir, Pallav.
Pallav. Okay. After question number 5. So I'm giving.
Can you show second question? Can you show second question?
Okay.
Sir, can you give me
Okay.
10
Write your questions. Okay. First question, Jashmita. Write your question. 64 into 5. Write down it on your paper.
Already wrote. Answer also I got.
Second, Harshita. 93 into 5.
Yes,
Third question, Ritvik.
Sir, already got the answer also.
Okay. Satvik. Take your question.
Answer.
Okay. Shahu, take your question.
Sir, can you once show 4th one?
Fourth is 598472.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, can you show my question?
Yeah, it is there. 1, 2, 4, 9, 3, 8, 7 into 5. This is for Pallav.
Sir, why are you saying to take the screenshots?
Sorry?
Not screenshot, write it down because we need to
Yes,
remember.
yes.
And
Because this much bigger numbers
Question.
are not available. That's why. Okay, Pallav, is your question is okay?
Yes, sir.
Anybody want new questions? Anyone? If no one, we'll go to solutions. Okay, we'll go to solutions. Jashmita, explain your solution.
Yes, sir. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 32 multiplied by 10 is 320.
Why to multiply 10? Simply write 0, that's all. Because there is no remainder.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Your methodology is that one, right? You have to divide by 2 and we have to multiply the resultant number by 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Harshita.
Yes, sir. 93 half is 46 with the remainder 1. So remainder 1 came, so 465, 465.
Correct. If 1 is the remainder, we can do that 1, we can multiply that 1 by 5, it will be 5 end digit to get the end number 5. Otherwise, we can remember if 1 is the remainder, put the last digit 5. Ritvik, your question is easy.
Yes, sir. Sir, 2486 can be divided with 2, but instead of dividing it with 2, we can just half it like 1, 2, 4, 3.
1, 2, 4,
And
3.
then,
That's
no, sir. Again, we will get a 0 because the remainder is 0.
yes, correct. That's the answer. Yeah,
so we should divide 598472 by 2. So we'll get the answer as 299236. So the remainder is 299236.
36, correct. Okay.
So the remainder is 0. So we should add a 0.
Yeah, because the remainder is 0, put a 0. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we will divide the number by 2. So,
Okay. 6 times.
Give me a question.
Okay, Akash, wait.
Okay, sir.
Shahu, proceed.
yes, sir. Sir, 1 divided by 2.
No, directly you can take 12. That
Yes,
is
sir,
better.
12. 12 divided by 2, it will come 6. Then
Okay.
4, it will come 2. Then
Okay.
5, it will come again 2. And remainder will be 1. We'll take
Okay.
17, so it will be 8. Again, the remainder will be 1. 18, so we'll take 9. Then
Okay.
3. Then
Okay.
4. Remainder will be 1. So we'll take 6. And then we will.
Finally, remainder is
1
1.
is left. So we'll write 1.
No. That remainder we have to multiply with this number.
5.
Yeah. If the remainder is 1, write the last digit 5. Don't forget this point.
Sir, can
Okay.
you give me an extra question?
Sorry?
Can you give me an extra question, sir?
Who? Name?
Harshita.
Harshita. Harshita, you have done one question. Your
Yes,
question
sir,
is
but
already
it
there.
was
Second.
a
Yes, we
short
did one
one,
question.
sir.
Okay. We'll take one more exercise. No issue. Pallav, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So half of 6 is 3.
Okay. You consider this number as a 6 point. No, this is
Sir?
the sixth question. This is the question.
Sir, I thought it was the 6.1249.
Okay.
Sir, we can take half of 12 as 6.
Okay.
Half of 4 is 2.
Okay.
And half of 9, we can take 8.
Yeah, half
So
of 9
4.
is 4 with the remainder 1.
1. So 13 sir. 13 gives 6.
Okay. With remainder?
with remainder 1 and it will give 18, sir.
Hmm.
It will take 9
Okay.
with no remainder. Half of 7 is 3
Three
plus
with
1, sir.
3 with 1 remainder. Hmm.
Yes, sir. So 1 into 5 gives 5.
That's all. That is the answer. Okay. Now, Akash, your mic problem. Is there any problem with your mic?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll give one question. This is question number 7. 5.847 into 5. This is your question. Directly, you can tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So actually, like this number, we first we have to divide by 2. We can take it like we will remove the point, so we'll take it like 523,847. If we'll divide, so we'll get the answer 261923.
261923.
1923.
Yeah.
So the
Finally,
remainder is
remainder.
5. So 5. So
What
remainder
is
is
the
5.
remainder? Last digit 5. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Next. What about this decimal point?
So now, now we have to keep the decimal point. So I already told this.
Where is the decimal point now?
So before 3 numbers from right side.
Yes, correct. After 3 digits, there is a decimal point here.
Yes,
So
sir.
here also after 3 digits, there is a decimal point from
So
right
that
side.
means 2619.235.
That's all. Very good. Correct. Now we'll see.
Sir, one question, one for me, sir, please, sir.
Shreyasi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't give your name, sir. Just wait. Satvik, wait. Okay. Just tell me, if it is into 5, you are doing in that way. Suppose if it is into 5, what will we do? What should we do? Tell me, anyone.
After
10, sir. We should
sir,
add
sir.
10 at last.
Sorry?
I think we should add 10 at last.
No, sir. Sir, like we already know, sir, like in when we were small, sir, like
Sir,
in
into
childhood.
100 divided by 2.
Yes, very good. Into 100 divided by 2. That's all.
Yes.
Okay. See.
So means 24800 divided by 2.
Simply nothing. Here into 5 means we are making it 10, right? Our base number is 10. So because 10 consists of only 1 0, we'll put the last digit. That's why we will discuss about the last digit. If the remainder is 1, we'll put the last digit as 0. Sorry, if the remainder is 0, we'll put the last digit as 0. If the remainder is 1, we'll put the last digit as 5, right? Based on the remainder. See,
Yes.
if it is into 50 means we can make it this number as 100. Our base number 100. So to make this number as 100, we have to multiply this number
Divided
by
2.
Means we are multiplying by 2 means we have to divide the given number by 2. Okay, so divide by 2, again we'll get the last, we'll get the 2 remainders, right? What are the 2 remainders? 0 and 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if 0 is the remainder, we have to place now last 2 digits because our base consists of 2 zeros. So we need to place last 2 digits. So last 2 digits, if the remainder is 0, write
Then
2 zeros at the
2
end.
zeros.
If the remainder is 1, write 5 0 at
5
the end.
0.
Simple, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I'm explaining one separate question. I'll take a 547 into 50.
Sir, these are extra questions.
Yeah, these are extra questions only. We'll do together. We'll do okay. Otherwise, I will allot questions. Okay, right? See, here instead of multiplying by 50, we are dividing by 2. 2 times it is 2. Sorry, 4. 1 remainder 14. 7 times it is 14. Then 7. 3 times it is 6. 1 remainder. Finally, 1 is the remainder means this 1 we have to multiply with this 50. That's all. That is 50. 27350. So what you are writing in the chat box?
So don't know from where they are getting those numbers.
Okay. Don't write anyone.
Sir, below
anything.
there are no 248 into 50 and others.
No,
Okay.
sir. There's a lot
I
of space.
already
Don't know
mentioned
from where they
that.
can see.
Don't write your name, sir. Don't write your name, sir. I will allot the question. Question by question, I will allot. Okay. So first question, Shreyasi will do this. Shreyasi.
Yes, sir. This will be okay, sir. Sir, you only allot a question to each and everyone instead of
Yeah,
writing
if
in
there
the
is
chat.
an exercise, as we have done in the previous exercise, if
Sir,
this
can
is
I
the
do
way,
the
I
next
will.
one, sir?
If this is the way questions are in this format, I will give chance to you. Okay. If this is the format, I will allow.
Sir, may I do it?
Shreyasi, what happened?
Can I do it?
Yes, she's also already doing.
Sir, can you give
Sir,
me an
once can you
extra
give to
sum?
someone else, sir?
Why Shreyasi?
Sir, I'll do the next one, sir.
Okay. Jashmita.
Sir, but can I get an extra question also?
Okay, I'll give many
Sir,
numbers.
this question is actually
Sir,
three.
may I do it?
Okay, do it. Shahu.
Sir, can I?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
248 we will divide by 2, which is 1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4.
And remainder is 0. So we will write 0.
2 zeros. Don't forget
Yes, sir.
this.
50 is 0 and 1 0.
50 will make it 100 because 100 consists of 2 zeros. We'll put 2 zeros here. Because in
Yes.
the previous case it is 5 only, so we have made it 10. Means 10 consists of 1 0. That's why we put one digit at the end. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shreyasi, now your question. What happened?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
5, 2, 4, 3 half.
Mm.
Half of 5. Wait.
Tell me, half of 5 is 2 with remainder 1.
5, we can take it 2, sir. 2 and the remainder will be 1.
Mm.
Then there is left as 2. I mean 2, and we can add the remainder 1 to 2, which will become 12. Half of 12 is 6.
Okay.
Then half of 4 is 2.
Okay.
And 3, we can take it as 2. No.
Half of 3
1.
is 1 with remainder.
1.
1 is the remainder. Last 2 digits will be
0.
5 0. So this 1
Yes,
into
sir.
this number.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, based on the remainder. If the remainder is 0, write the last 2 digits.
If the
as 0,
remainder
0.
is 0, then it will be like a 0 0 at the end.
0,
But if
0.
it's 1 as remainder, then it will be 5 0.
5 0. That's all. Very good.
Sir,
Then
can I also give one? Sir, this is Akash.
Sir, can I? Sir, can I? Sir, can
Sir,
I
can
do
I
it?
do this?
Vishnu, can you do this? Vishnu.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I do this?
Wait.
Sir, can
Vishnu.
I?
Let Vishnu
Wait,
speak.
sir is giving someone chance. Wait.
Vishnu, are you there? Vishnu is there, right?
Whatever they don't have in their
Sir, his mic is not working. It seems, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I, Akash?
Sir, can I do?
Wait.
Sir, can I do?
Sir, I told first.
Just wait.
Sir, can I do? My name is Harshita.
Sir will only call one name.
Sir, I want to do this sum.
Divyesh.
Can I please?
So let us should not waste time.
Yes, sir. Let me do, sir, Akash.
Sir, can I do?
Okay, Siddharth
sir.
will do this.
Sir,
Siddharth.
can I do?
Without wasting our time, I can do, sir.
Siddharth. Akash, wait. Siddharth, are you there? What happened to these people? Okay, Akash. Proceed.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Sir,
so,
Siddharth is talking, but his voice is breaking so much. Sir. Means so slow.
sir, so I'm starting.
Sir,
So first we have to divide this.
Someone is coming in middle. Sir.
Arey
Sir,
yaar, please.
Sir, first number it is 3.
Okay.
Second number
Siddharth came
2.
come into line. So 3, 2. Okay. Then
Sir, this is
And
cheating,
then
sir. I was
this
explaining.
is
wait, Akash. I'll give one question.
No,
Wait.
me. Sir, then it is 8.
Then it is 8. Okay. Next.
9.
Okay.
7.
No.
No, sir, 4.
Wait, Akash. Wait. Let him complete. 9 when divided by 2. 4 times it is.
Yes, sir. 4 and then
15.
7.
7 times 14. Correct. Then 14
7.
again. 7. Okay. Next.
1.
1.
2.
2 and
7.
okay. Then
2 zeros, sir.
with
2 zeros, sir.
so very good. Very good.
Sir,
Okay,
can I do
Akash.
the
This
next
is your
one?
question.
Okay, sir. So first we have to divide this 5, 8, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8, 6, 4, 7 by
Okay.
2.
Okay.
Sir, wait, can you give me some time to divide?
Directly we can do. We together can do. Tell me.
Okay, sir. Sir, so first we have to divide from 58 we can take. So, sir, so from first we have to divide by 2.
Okay.
Sir, so that means 2, 9, 2, 3.
2, 9, 2, 3.
4,
Okay.
3. Sir, and then
11
5,
means
6, 1. 5, 6, 1.
5, 6, 1. Next.
Okay.
15.
1, 7, 9, 9.
1 is
I
already
guess
there. 7,
9, 9.
9, 9.
So then the rest 6, 4, 7 is left. Sir, so I think, sir,
3
it's
to 3.
getting more answer. I'm not getting this answer only.
3 to 3.
3, 2,
Yes, sir.
3.
3
With one
to
3 to 3.
remainder.
then
Sir, as the answer as the remainder is 5, so we'll write 5 and then
no,
0.
remainder is 1 finally. We'll
Okay,
write
sir. So
1
1
into
0.
50.
1 into 50. That's all.
Yes, sir. So it
5.
wins 50. 5 0.
That's all. That is the answer.
Sir,
Okay.
the
Sir, this is
answer is too big.
So Satvik
What,
sir.
Akash?
Sir, can I do? This is Harshita.
Okay.
So Satvik,
Sir, can I do?
Let us move on to
Sir, can I
another
do?
type. See, just wait. If it is into 5, we are
10
making
divided
it
by
as
2.
10 and we are placing the last digit. We are discussing about the last digit, right? So if it is into 50, we are making it 100 by multiplying by 2. So here also we are doing into 2, means divided by 2. Here also we are doing divided by 2. If it is 50, we are making it 100. And we are telling about the last 2 digits, right? And if it is
Yes,
25, what we have to do?
100 by 4.
Yes, very good.
100 by 4.
Correct.
Yes,
We can make this number as 100 by multiplying with 4. Means we are multiplying this number by 4 means we have to divide given number by 4, right?
Yes, sir, means divide the number
Yes.
twice.
Yeah, divide the number by 4. You may do it directly or you may divide it 2 times by
Twice.
2. Okay, twice half is also okay.
Sir, then divide the
And
number twice.
what are
and
the
then
remainder
multiply.
possibilities? Tell me. What
Sir,
are the
if the
remainder
remainder is
possibilities?
1, then it will be 25.
Tell me. What are the remainder possibilities when you divide any number by 4?
0 or 1, sir.
That's all.
Sir, 0,
Yes,
1
sir.
or 3. 0, 1
0
or 3.
or 1 or 3. That's all. 2. Is it not possible?
Yes, sir, 0, 1, 3.
2 is
Sir, 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is it.
Yes, 2 is also possible. 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. If it is 2, what we can do? 2 is the remainder. That's all. So remember this point. Any number when divided by n, the remainder possibilities are 0 to n minus 1. Okay. We'll get one number less than the divisor.
0, 1, 2, and 3.
so what if if the remainder comes 2 and 3?
I'll tell that point out. See, based on the remainder, we have to place how many digits now? Tell me that point.
So 0
Sir, if
means
it is 1, then 2,
Just tell
5.
me how many digits we need to place.
2.
If it
Yes,
is
sir.
1,
2 digits.
2.
Sir. We need to place 2 digits. Sir. So what are the 2 digits are? If 0 is the remainder, we'll write the last 2 digits as
0,
0, 0,
0,
0,
0.
0.
And
If the
then if it
remainder
is
is
1,
1,
If
we
it is
write
1, 2,
25.
5,
If it is 2, then
25.
2,
2,
5.
then
If the
50
remainder
and
is 2,
3,
then 75.
3
50,
after that 75.
5, 0. If
and
the
then
remainder is
3,
3,
then 75.
75. That's all. Easy.
Okay, so we
Yes,
should
sir,
just
that's
Very
multiply
easy.
that
Yeah.
number by 25.
No need to
Remainder.
remember this list.
multiplication is a
See.
long topic.
No need to remember this list. Just what is the remainder, and we have to multiply that remainder with the multiplier 25. Yeah. Something you are telling. Who? I think.
Sir, can I do this?
Sir, can I?
Sir, may I?
Sir, I did not
Sir,
even
I'll
get
do the
chance.
second one, sir. I'll
Jashmita
do
will
the
do
second
this.
one.
Jashmita will do this.
So Satvik, sir, I did not get
Second will do. Satvik will do second.
Sir, can I do the second one?
Sir, I don't want second one, sir. I
Sir,
want the
after
last
that, may
one.
I do Shahu?
This one
Sir,
only.
can I
Last
do
one.
second one?
Sir, can I do?
Sir, I want the last one of this into 25, sir.
Just wait. Jashmita will explain this. Okay,
Okay,
Satvik,
sir.
you can do your own question.
Sir, can I do second
Sir,
one?
one question, sir. How?
Your own means there are some questions on this sheet, right? In those
Okay,
questions.
sir. The last one I'll take.
Sir, may I do Shahu? Last second.
Sir, can I do second one?
Where is Jashmita then?
Sir.
Everybody is speaking, but not Jashmita is not speaking.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
So first we will divide the number by 4, which
Okay.
is double of divided by 2.
Halving twice.
Halving twice. 2 divided by 2 is 1.
Okay, otherwise, if you can do this by 4, division by 4 directly, or you can do this by 4 only.
Sir, I'll do
You are
division by
comfortable.
4 directly.
Okay, proceed.
Okay, sir. 25 divided by 4, 6 and 1 will be remainder.
Okay.
So 14 divided by 4, 3 and 2 will be remainder.
Okay.
22 divided by 4, 20. So 5 and 2 will be the remainder.
Okay.
23 divided by 4, again 23, again 5, 3 will be remainder.
Okay.
Then 36 divided by 4, 9
Okay.
into 100.
Okay. What is the
So
remainder
two
here?
zeros. Remainder is not there. So 2 zeros.
Zero
we
is the
will keep
remainder
at
means
end.
we have to write the last 2 digits as 0, 0. So that's all. This is the answer. So if you multiply this number by 25 directly in conventional method, you will take much time, right? So here we are doing it faster than the conventional method. Yes, sir.
Sir, can I do next?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Harshita, this is your question.
Sir, can you one show the above question, sir? I did not take screenshot.
I'll send this PDF in the Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Harshita,
So
explain.
we should divide the number by 4.
Okay.
So 4 6 are 24. So 1 will be the remainder, and 4 3s are 12. So 2 will be the remainder, 27. 4 6 are 24.
Okay.
So 3 will be the remainder, and 38. So 4 9s are 36.
Okay.
And 1 will be the remainder.
2 is the remainder. 38 is
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So where
21.
we were actually, in which number we were?
21 now it is. With
20.
remainder 21.
No, so where at which question we were? Or
You were at 1.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
From 1, but before that there is a 2 remainder.
Yes,
21.
sir. 2 will be, so 4 5s are 20. So 1 will be the remainder.
Okay.
15. So 3
12,
will
12.
be. Yeah, sir. Like I'm telling the last 15 is now. We should divide.
What about
4
this 12?
3. Yeah. 12. Okay. For
3 times it is 12.
Yes,
3
sir.
times
For
it is 12.
and remainder is 0, and the next one is 5. 4
5.
ones are 5.
4
Remainder
ones are
is
4.
1 and 15.
Yeah, 15.
4 threes are 12.
Hmm.
So
Sir,
this is the
actually,
Finally, what
I'm
is the
getting
remainder?
confused.
45, sir.
So 3 is the remainder. Then last 2 digits will be
75.
75. Very good. Very good. Correct. Somebody is telling something.
Sir, is this the last second question?
Sir, is the last one or last second?
Last second, I think. This is for...
Sir, then please may I do this?
Okay. This is for you and this is for Satvik.
Sir, those are me. Sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, we can, sir, divide the number twice by 2 also, no?
Okay. Your wish.
Okay, sir. So 9 divided by 2, it will be, we'll write 4 and the remainder will be 1. Then 1, 8, 18, we'll write 9.
Okay.
Then 5 will write 2 and remainder 1. 14 will write 7. Then 7 will write 3, remainder 1. 16, so we'll write 8. Then 1, then 2, then 8, and 1 is the remainder. So
8 and 1 is the remainder.
Sir, we can write here 0.5.
Yes, 0.5 only you have to write.
Yes, sir. Sir, then 4 means we'll write 2.
So I
2,
think
then 2.
better divided by 4 directly instead of doing this.
Okay, sir. So 9
Because
divided by
if it is
2.
a small number like 68, so dividing by 2 twice is okay, but it is a bigger number. That is why it is better. Divided by 4 is better.
Okay, sir. 9 divided by 4, it will be 2. Remainder will be 1. 18 divided by 4.
Tell me, 2 times
9 divided by
18.
4, it will be 2. Then remainder will be 1. So it will be again 4. And then remainder will be 2. 25, so it will be 6. No, sir.
Wait. Here it is 25, right?
Yes, sir. So it will be 6.
6 times.
Yes, sir. Then remainder will be 114. Again, it will be 3. Remainder will be 2. Sir, at 3. Yes. Then 27. 27. So we will take
6.
6 times.
Sir, can we take 7?
That will be 28. No.
Yeah.
So
4 into 7 is 28.
then
7 times
remainder
is 28.
3,
6 times is
30.
24. 3 remainder 36.
Yes, so 36. Then it will be 9.
Okay.
Then 25.
No. Directly you cannot take 25 here. If you
Two,
write 0
sir.
here, then you can take 25.
Okay, sir. Then 25, it will be again 6. 1, it will be 17. So
17.
4 and remainder 1. So we will
So
write
finally,
25.
remainder is 1 means
25. 25.
25. Okay. So it all depends on how fast we are doing divided by 4. Yes, sir. No. And this is for you, Satvik.
Yes, sir. Divided by 4, sir, this number. So then 4 ones are 4, 3 remaining 35. 4 5 remaining 4 8 are 36. No, sir.
32.
4, so 4 7 we can take.
32. After 32, what is the?
Yes, sir. Wait for 32, sir.
Just
32.
wait, sir. From where that disturbance?
Sir, yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Right. Pallavi is muted. Again,
So
tell me.
4 8 are 32. Yes, sir. 4 1 are 4, 3 remaining 4 8 are 32.
32. 3 remainder again.
Yes, sir. Again 4 8. Again 4 8, sir. 2 remaining
28.
7 sir. 7 or 28. 6 4 1 are 4. 2
21.
4 5 are 21.
12.
12. 4 3 are 12.
Then 5.
4 1 are 4.
14.
4 3 are 12.
17.
2.
Sorry, 27.
Yes, sir. 6.
6 times.
4
Remainder
24.
3. 34.
24 means 24 means
Not 24. 34.
34, sir. Yes, sir. And 34 means 3 remaining.
8 times
And
32.
yes, sir. And 2 remaining. 2 remainder.
2 is the remainder. Then last 2 digits will be
50.
50. 50. That's all. Okay. We have taken somewhat bigger numbers. Right. Now you can give your names. All of you can give your names.
Sir, no, sir. A I will take, sir, because nobody takes that.
Write it in the chat. Write it in the chat.
Why,
Jeshmita has already taken.
Write it in the chat. Yeah, from where we have to start? 57, 557 means E. Jeshmita, right?
Yes, sir.
Jeshmita. Then G. Ritvik. F. Satvik.
Sir, C. Shahu also took, sir. C.
No,
D
sir, I
already
took
Shahu.
D.
D. Shahu. D. Shahu. F. Harshita. F is already over Harshita.
That C was for
Jaya.
last
Sir,
question, sir.
I took H, sir.
Okay, okay. C. Jaya. B. Akash. B. Akash.
See, sir,
H.
even though
Shreyasi.
if I told it normally, sir, on unmute, sir, still nobody put the name A. With like, still nobody took A.
What are you saying?
Sir,
Sir,
no
I'm
one
saying
will
that
take
even
A.
though I told the my name, yes, sir, nobody will take A, sir. Even though after I'm unmuted and told my name.
Yes, yes.
Sir, because A will always be so easy, sir.
No, no. How can you say that? Compared to here, A, I
Most
think
of the time.
if you ignore a decimal point, Satvik's question is better, right?
Sir, sir,
Yes,
most of the time, sir. Most of
Yeah,
the time.
most of the times it is okay. 100, but not 100%. We cannot say 100%. Okay, Shreyasi, shall we start or will take some time? All of you.
Sir, I did, sir.
You'll take time?
I did, sir. I did mine,
No,
sir.
sir, we
Okay.
can do it afterwards also, as soon as everyone does its own question.
Okay.
We'll do it, okay, because we don't have that much time. We'll do it again
Okay, sir.
at a
Let's
time.
start.
We'll start with Shreyasi.
Yes, sir. We have to divide 46 with 2,
Okay,
and it will become 23.
23. Then
Yes, as there's no remainder left, that means the remainder is 0. As I say, then that last digits will be 0, 0.
0, 0. Very good. Because 50 will make it 100. That's why 2 zeros. Then Akash.
So the answer is 432 because we have to divide this number by 2. So 432. Sir, as there is no remainder, so 0. So the 2 digits will be 0 and 0. So that means 43,200.
Very good. Correct. Joya.
So 72 divided by 4 is 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 32. 4 eights are 32.
Okay.
Put 2 zeros.
Yeah, because there is no remainder. 0 is the remainder. We'll put 2 zeros. Correct. Then Shahu.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 85 we will divide by 4. So 8 divided by 4, it will be 2. And 5 divided by 4, it will be 1. And the remainder will be 1. So we will write 2, 5.
1 is the remainder. That's why last 2 days will be 2, 5.
Yes, sir. 2, 1, 2, 5.
Correct. Very good. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. So 86.8 we can consider as 868. 868 divided by 2 is 4, 4, 3, 4.
Okay.
4, 3, 4 into 10 we will do. Sorry, sir. 4,
Into
3,
10 or
4.
100?
Double, no, sir, 100. We will put 00.
Okay.
And then point before 2 zeros.
Before 2 zeros, why? There is only one digit, right?
Oh, sorry, sir. 1 0 only.
Okay. That's all. 4,340 is your answer. Satvik.
So we can ignore a decimal point, sir, and we should divide by 2. So the answer will be 21. So remainder is 0. So we should write 0 0.
Okay.
There is there is decimal point after one digit. So we should write 210.0.
Very good. Correct. Ritvik. Fast. Ritvik.
So he's saying he's not able to unmute himself. So can I do it?
Just wait. I'll try to unmute. Ritvik.
Ritvik, you will get a notification that the host is like saying you to unmute. So you just click on OK. So it will be directly unmuting.
No, sir, but if it would be the problem of mic or device, then still he would not be able to unmute.
Okay, okay. So Rohant.
Once rejoin.
Rohant.
Yeah, Ritvik, till that time you rejoin. Ritvik, you right till that time you rejoin.
Yeah, Ritvik, try to rejoin.
We are waiting. Or else.
Rejoin.
Okay, I'll give this question to a new person. Meanwhile, we'll complete this question first. Harshita's question.
Yes, sir.
Harshita.
Sir, Harshita matches like with H, sir. That's the reason you just wrote AR at the last. HAR.
Yeah. Harshita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
28 divided by 4.
Okay.
So 4 sevens are 28.
Okay.
So the remainder is 0. So we will write 2 zeros.
Okay.
And the point is at 1 decimal. So from right, we will write a decimal. So 70.0.
Very good. Excellent. Then what is there in the chart? Ratvik? Yeah, sorry. Ritvik?
Sir, you said, am I audible? I said no, sir.
No.
So you give this question to somebody else.
Yeah, I'm asking Rohant Kumar, I'm asking Ayush, I'm asking Divyesh, why they are not able to speak?
Sir, Ayush Mishra is not unmuted and sir, he's unmuted but not saying
Sir,
something.
he's unmuted, but we are not able to hear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Or else he's not.
Vishnu.
So Ritvik is also trying to unmute and that green is showing that he's saying something but we can't hear his noise or sound.
Voice. Vishnu also unable to
Sir,
unmute.
or else their mic setting, their sound will be very low, sir.
What can I do? This is very easy.
Yes, sir.
You already got B chance, no, Akash.
Oh, it's already
What
16.
happens? I will do.
So finally, last question
Sir,
will be
may I do?
explained by Navya.
Okay, sir.
Navya.
Yes, sir. So, yeah, so we're gonna take 3, 4, 2, 5, 6
Oh, what
as
are you
norm.
doing? Just tell me that.
I'm doing the normal, like where we divide this the first one by 2 and add 0.
So that is
Yeah.
that you have to mention. You have to divide by 2 or 4 or 8. You need to mention.
Okay, so we're gonna divide 3, 4, 5, 6 by 2, which will give us
So I already sent you the answer in your private chat.
Okay. Wait. I'm telling one more point. See, is this Navya? Navya, not only
Yes,
for
sir.
Navya, all of you see. 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you are dividing this number by 2, instead of doing this one digit by digit, you can do in this way also. You can treat this number as 34, and 34 half is 17, 56 half is 28.
Yeah, so it's 1628, sir.
1728.
Oh, sorry, 1728.
1728.
And then
Because
since
there
there
is no
is
remainder.
it will be 0, and then since there is a 50, it will be
0,
another. There will
0.
be another. Yeah, there will be another 0.
Okay. And at
So
the
this
end,
is not the answer actually.
this is not the answer, final answer, because there is a decimal point here.
Yeah, since there is a decimal point, we will have to go, like, we have to place it two digits from the right. So it will be, yeah, one.
Right. 1728. That's all.
Sir,
That is
if they, sir, as there are 0 after decimal, so can we say the answer is 1728
that's all.
directly
That is
without
the
saying?
answer. Yes.
Yes, sir.
After decimal, there may be any number of zeros. That is not. We don't need to
Not
consider.
forget.
Sir, am I audible now?
Now you are audible, but we are leaving now.
Yes, after the
Sir.
questions.
Okay, Ritvik.
Sir, actually, I just removed my headphones, sir.
Okay, right. So today we are stopping here, right?